Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video is actually going to be like a mini vlog. I'm going to be doing some nesting, which is basically what I've been doing for the past couple weeks anyway. I got a couple things in the mail today, but they're mostly like baby clothes, things that me and my husband ordered. I am trying to get my hospital bag together, so in that I'm going to include the baby stuff. I'm going to put the baby items in first and then put my stuff in last. This is like one of the items that came in, which is like a cute cream, or this is actually white, but white two-piece that is super cute. And I ordered this from Snuggababy, I think it's called, Snuggaby. So it's like a newborn set. So gonna wash those along with some simple basic long sleeve onesies that came in, a cute little pouch that came in, basic bottoms, keeping things minimal, and this cute little swaddle, more cloth diapers. I ordered more cloth diapers, and then also some mittens. So I'm gonna be washing these today. It's kind of chilly and I'm craving hot chocolate, so I'm probably gonna like go to Starbucks and get that later. Oh, another thing that came in the mail is the drying rack. So I finally get to wash the baby bottles and the pacifiers. Been waiting to do that forever, but I just couldn't decide on a dry rack, and I went with a super cute one. So the drying racks that came in the mail, these are the pieces. It has like a cute little cactus vibe. These are actually sold out at Target, but I found it at Bed Bath & Beyond, and no, Amazon. I got this from Amazon for $14, but Bed Bath & Beyond has it for like $18, I think. And then Target, they were on the Target website for $14. So I'm gonna wash these first. So with my baby list welcome box, I'm gonna wash the bottles that came in. So far, even though I do like plan on breastfeeding most of my feedings, I do wanna have like the bottles as backup because you never know. And when I say that, I mean because I don't necessarily know when my breast milk is gonna come in. For some, it could be the same day right after delivery. For others, it could be like 1 to 2 weeks, sometimes longer. So just in case, I wanna have the bottles. And then I have my like formula. Those two are like my backups as well. Also gonna wash the pacifiers. So with the pacifiers, I actually don't want to use too many because when I took the breastfeeding class, the nurse said that pacifiers can actually interfere with how the baby latches on during like breastfeeding sessions. She said something like it does the opposite. Like the baby tongue moves in a certain direction when it's on the breast, but when it's on the pacifier, it moves, I think, forward instead of backward or something like that, she explained. So just gonna use, so I'm gonna use 3. This one from Dr. Brown's is 0 to 6 months, but I feel like the nipple on this is super long, so I'm just gonna wait that out. This one is 0 to 2, and the nipples are shorter on these, so I'm gonna stick to these first. So I have 2 Phillips bottles and 1 from Nook. I'm actually a little confused because none of them say like what flow. So confused. Is that a 1? Specify if it's for a newborn. It doesn't really have the flow. Oh, okay. So this is flow 1. I'm so confused right now. So it's actually on the nipple. Okay. So this is flow 1. I don't know if there's like a flow 0. Is that a thing? But I'm assuming this is going to be the smallest. What ounce is this? This is a 4 ounce. This one is also a 4 ounce. And then the Nook is a 5 ounce. Okay, for the Nook bottle, it says baby controls the flow. But that still doesn't really make sense to me. Like, how do I know that the nipple isn't too large? All right, I'll get back to that later. So for now, let me wash these drying racks so I don't confuse myself too much. So throwing these away, I'm gonna keep these little instructions. So the set looks like this. It's like a cute little cactus or cacti set. The brush set that actually comes with this, I ordered in the mail. They're super, super cute, but it's not here yet. So I'm just gonna use this little temporary brush that I got from Target. It was like $4. If I twist up, it has like the mini brush to wash the nipple. Very convenient. And then I'm gonna use my Dabble Baby soap. This is what it looks like. It says that you can wash bottles, sippy cups, utensils, pacifiers, breast pumps, and whole family dishes. With the adult dishes in the house, I'm just gonna use Dawn because that's just what I always use. But anything for the baby, I'm gonna use this because it's a lot more gentle. So yeah, I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna wash this, and then once it dries, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my bottles and then the baby clothes. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes before I rinse it off in hot water. So my forehead is greasy. Yeah, I hate to start this vlog in the car because it's weird, but I'm headed to Bye Bye Baby to get a mattress that is compatible to the bassinet that came in the mail. My mom purchased the bassinet. I absolutely love it. But the mattress that it comes with, it's like paper thin. When you put the mattress down in the bassinet, you can kind of like feel the metal when you like press your hand down. I'm gonna see if I can get another mattress that is compatible to that. They said I can order in the store and get free shipping, so headed to do that. Also had my ultrasound this morning. The baby is currently 7 pounds and 3 ounces, which is a lot bigger than what I thought. I thought they were gonna say like 5 pounds or 6 at the most. But 7 pounds, 3 ounces, pretty healthy weight. Excited. And yeah, let me stop talking and go to Bye Bye Baby so I can hurry up and come home. Make my wishes come true. They already have all the cute little Christmas stuff out. Super cute. So they do have some over here, 38 by 5, which is too big because the bassinet dimension is like 37 by something. So these are too big. So I just finished ordering the mattress for the bassinet. Got that out the way. It took some time because there's not a lot of mattresses that are compatible to the bassinet, which is weird. You would think that they would have more options, but found that. And I ordered sheets as well to match. And I'm gonna see what else I can find in here. Everything for the baby bag is like good to go, but I still wanna see if I can find like other cute little baby items. This is super cute. So to me, this doesn't make sense. I don't know if I'm bugging, but this does not make sense to me. This 6-pack for 0 to 3 months is $22. And you can buy like 6 packs of adult socks for like under 10. That doesn't make sense. But I guess this is like the baby world. They have cute little outfits for baby christening. I did not know that. How cute is that? Okay, I've been walking around here for like almost a half hour and I'm hungry. So I'm gonna head to whatever that place is called and get me an acai bowl. But I keep getting distracted. This is so cute. But yeah, I need to take this mask off, so I'm about to head out.
Still doing okay?
Yes, thank you.
What size?
This brand Gumi always has really cute stuff. That's super cute. Thank you.